Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at how you can actually make a sheet component to be scrollable. This is just a demo website. There's nothing actually going on right here. So I have my sheet right here. As you can see, if I click on open, I have some products that I'm just listing on it. There's nothing. If you click, it goes nowhere. It's just a demo, anyways. So basically, the more I add items to this, you will see once it overflows, it's not going to be scrollable, and that's a problem with Shadcn sheet. So basically, I'm going to go to my code, and as you can see, there's nothing much going on right here. This is where I have the text, and then this is how and then I put I basically put the sheet component on top of this page. As you can see, this is the sheet component. So what I'm basically doing is I have my product. My product is inside this data file. So I'm exporting the array. I'm simply just exporting the array. I have three items right there. So I'm exporting it right here, and then I'm importing it inside the landing page. And what I did is just to map. I just mapped through the products, and I was able to, list them inside the sheet component. So basically, that's what is going on right there. So currently, I have three products on the page right now. So as you can see, if I open my sheet, you will see that I have only three products. So I have a grid. I'm actually displaying this with grid. I've actually said that I only have one maximum of three columns. So if I had one more item, it's going to start from the next line. Now let's go and add a lot of items and see what exactly I'm talking about. So I'm going to go to this place, and then I'm going to go to my data, and then I'm going to add more objects and more products. So I'm just going to repeat it anyways. So I've added another three. Now we're going to go back to the site. As you can see, everything still looks good right now because there's no overflow right here. So I'm going to add a bunch of it right now. Just keep adding this product. Right, let's just say, let's keep adding. Oops, that's an error right there. Okay. Okay, I think we have more than enough now. So I'm going to go back. Now we have an overflow. We have an overflow right now, and I cannot actually scroll. Okay, so how do you get past it when you're working with Sheet in Shadcn? It's so simple. This is all you have to do. So now I'm going to go back to my code. I'm going to go back to my landing page. Okay, so where you have this is your sheet component. Obviously, you've imported it, and then inside this content, you look for the content. Inside the content, hopefully you're gonna be using what's called Tailwind. If you're not, even if you're not using Tailwind, you can just use your normal CSS to do this. But I'm using Tailwind now just to make it faster. So basically, what you want to do is that you want to set a max height. You want to set the max height to screen. Sorry, max height. You want to set it to screen, and then remember to say that overflow. I'm only interested in the on the I mean, I'm actually only interested in the overflow on the y-axis. So I'm going to set that to scroll. Adding these two will solve the problem. So I'm just going to save, and then I'm going to go back. As you can see, now it's scrollable. I can actually scroll now, and I can actually see all my items. So if I had more items, if I go back and then add more items to my data, let's say I had more items, I'm going to be able to see everything right now because it is now scrollable. As you can see, everything is now scrollable. So that is how you make it scrollable. And one more thing, you can also make it increase the width actually. So I can actually also set the width to I can say, for instance, now on the LG screen, I want the screen, I want the width I want the max width to also be set to screen. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to reduce it to like LG. So I'm going to save. And if you go back to my site and then I open, hold on, I think there's a problem there. LG. Okay, max width. I did not specify that I wanted width right there. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna go back to my site and then I'm gonna open. As you can see, I have a very large width because of what I've set it to, and then I can still scroll. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can actually add scrollable width and height to your sheet component when you're using Shadcn. Make sure you actually subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.